Welcome to Luca is a Billionaire, where the only thing I invest in is your answers.
You begin with Visual Studio open and a solution loaded. This ensures the environment variables match your project. First, check that the developer command prompt component was installed with Visual Studio. Once done, you can access Quick Launch for commands or the Tools menu to find command prompt options. Using the developer command prompt sets path for compilers and SDKs, so you avoid manual configuration. Now you open the command prompt inside Visual Studio. Press Ctrl+Q to quick launch and type developer command prompt, then hit enter. Alternatively, navigate Tools, Command Line, and pick Developer Command Prompt so Visual Studio initializes environment variables. Make sure to select the correct architecture, x86 or x64, matching your build. This matters because compilers and linkers differ by architecture. Finally, use the prompt to run MS-Build, .NET, CL, or custom scripts. Commands execute with the project's configured SDKs. When done, close the prompt or keep it for iterative builds. If tools aren't recognized, close and restart Visual Studio to refresh environment variables. Make sure developer command prompt was included during installation. If the option is missing, open Visual Studio Installer and add the component. This restores the command line tools and avoids manual path edits or guesswork.
Thanks for watching and please subscribe. It's the best investment you'll ever make.